soft and quiet, pen in hand. I dip into the blue today. I dip into the blue today and let the color lead the way. No rush, no noise, just this and me, just breathing out and letting be. The dark blue settles soft and deep, a quiet calm I slowly keep, and light blue follows close behind. A gentle stillness fills my mind. Be still, just be still. Let the color wash the worry away. Be still, just be still. This is where I find my calm today. Pen in hand and heart at rest. In the quiet I am blessed. Be still. Each stroke a breath I slowly take. Each shade of blue a choice I make. To slow down soft and just unwind and leave the busy world behind. I don't need much, just this right here. A page, a pen, the flow so clear. And something in the blue reminds that peace was always close behind. Be still, just be still. Be still, just be still. Let the color wash the worry away. Be still, just be still. This is where I find my calm today. Pen in hand and heart at rest. In the quiet I am blessed. Be still. I don't have to have it all figured out. I just have to show up and float. Pick up my pen and breathe it out. And let the stillness help me go slow. The blue is almost full now here, and something new is drawing near. A pattern forming at the edge, a quiet, beautiful promise ahead. But for now I rest right here in this, in all this calm and all this bliss. Just still. Be still. Be still. I place the first line on the page, not knowing where it wants to go. It crosses over, doubles back, and makes a pattern only it could know. It looked like chaos at the start, like roads that wandered, crossed and bent. But line by line and turn by turn, I start to see what all of it meant. It all makes sense when you step back and breathe. It all makes sense, like rivers finding the sea. What looked like wandering was always leading somewhere beautiful. It all makes sense to me. And I have lived like these lines patterns took on directions I didn't plan, crossed over moments, doubled back, not understanding where I land. But looking back on where I've been, the pattern's clearer now I see. Every road that bent and turned was drawing something beautiful in me. It all makes sense when you step back and breathe. It all makes sense, like rivers finding the sea. What looked like wandering was always leading somewhere beautiful. It all makes sense to me. I don't need to see the whole design to trust the lines will find their place. I just keep moving pen to page and let the pattern show its face. Some lines cross over, some lines bend, but every single one belongs in the end. The page is filling, nearly done, and what was tangled now feels right. The dark blue underneath it all, still holding everything in light. And I will carry this with me when my own roads feel crossed and bent. That line by line and day by day, it's all part of something heaven sent. It all makes sense when you step back and breathe. It all makes sense, like rivers finding the sea. What looked like wandering was always leading somewhere beautiful. It all